change of plans. We did do these in class, so I'm going to show you these two problems, and then you can try these two on your own. You can pause the video and just try them now, or you can watch me do them. We can do them together. But one of these is kind of different from what we did in class, so I just wanted to show you how to do it. Car can travel 28 and 4,500 miles on 1 gallon. Gas tank can hold 11.5 gallons. How many miles can this car travel on a full tank? So if the car can go 28 and 4,500 miles per 1 gallon, in order to find how many total miles it can travel on all the gallons, we could multiply by how many gallons it can hold, which is 11.5 or 11.5. Notice we didn't line up the decimal points. When you multiply, you don't have to do that. So this one's a little different because we're multiplying by a number with 3 digits, by a number with 4 digits, so we might have a little bit of extra work here. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 2 is 42. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. I'm going to erase the numbers I carried. I'm going to cross out the 5 because I'm done with that. I'm going to add a placeholder 0. Then I'm going to multiply by 1. This is going to be kind of easy. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. Now, this is, I'm going to cross off the 1 because I'm done with it. This is where it's a little different from maybe the ones we did the other day with multiplication, because now we have to multiply by the 1, and instead of just one placeholder 0, we have to put 2. So for each additional digit we have to multiply by, we would have to add an extra placeholder 0. So now we multiply as normal. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. We'd add these all up. 5 plus 0 is 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 4 plus 5 would be 11. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 8 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. 8 times 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 12. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. So this number had 2 decimal places. This number had 1. So our answer is going to have 3 decimal places. So I'm going to move my decimal 1, 2, 3 times. So this car can travel 327 miles on a full tank of gas. That's probably from here to New York City, maybe. All right. This last one here, again, you can pause the video and try it on your own, but I'm going to do it here. A mile is about 1 in 609,000 kilometers. So that means a mile is a bit longer than a kilometer. And so now we're going to figure out how many kilometers are in 2.5 miles. So if you went on a 2.5 mile run, we'll see how many kilometers you would have run. So we're going to multiply those. Again, we don't have to line up the decimal points, but we have 3 decimal places in this number and 1 here, so we know we're going to have 4 decimal places in our answer. So now we'll just multiply as normal. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. I'm going to erase the numbers I worked with. I don't need anymore. I'm going to cross out the 5. Placeholder 0. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 1 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 1 is 1, plus 1 is 3. Then we'll add these up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 times 8, or 4 plus 8, is 12. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 3 is 4. And then we'd have 3 decimal places, and then another decimal place, so that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be about a little bit more than 4 kilometers would be 2.5 miles. All right. So I hope you found success in those. And if you have any questions while you're working, just let me know. Thank you. Have a good day.